Spirit Tower information, India 17540, weather wind 120 at 7, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature full, dew point -6, altimeter 3015.
Spirit Tower, good afternoon, Sun Devil 20 is inbound, visual runway 8 right.
Devil 20, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
And 8 right, Sun Devil 20.
Sun Devil 20, contact ground point 7.
Sun Devil 20.
And Baron 0 Charlie Alpha. You can bring that into a 4-mile final, runway 8 right, clear to land number 2, following a Musketeer and a 2-mile final.
Final 8 right, clear to land, 400 Charlie Alpha.
And Musketeer 96 Quebec, left turn off 5, contact, Baron 0 Charlie Alpha, left turn off 5, contact ground point 7.
5 over to ground, or Baron 40 Charlie Alpha.
242, runway 8 right, clear to land number 2, following a Baron.
Clear to land, following a Baron. Spirit Tower, Spirit Jet 945 with you on a visual 8 right, and we have that traffic that's off our left here.
Spirit Jet 945, Spirit Tower, roger, runway 8 right, clear to land, wind 110 at 6, that's a short flight.
Clear to land, 8 right, Spirit Jet 945.
Tower, gesture 836, visual right side.
Surrey 36, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land number 2.
Number 2, clear to land 8 right, gesture 836.
Station 715, Mike November, visual 8 right.
Station 715, Mike November, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 5 Mike November.
Station 5, Mike November, turn left at Alpha 5 and then contact ground point 7, have a good day.
Alpha 5, contact ground, 5 Mike November.
Spirit Tower, Cirrus 87 Kilo Charlie, holding short of 8 right at Charlie, ready for departure.
Cirrus 7 Kilo Charlie, turn left on course, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Course 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff, 7 Kilo Charlie.
Baron 214, Kilo Pop, 3.5.
214 Kilo Papa, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 4 Kilo Pop.
Baron 4 Kilo Papa, turn left at Alpha 6, reverse high speed, and then contact ground point 7. Just make sure to give way to that jet that'll be off your right-hand side.
Way to the jet, and we're going over the condos if that helps.
So runway 8 right, clear to land number 2, behind that Baron traffic that's short final now. Your spacing's, you got plenty of space between it.
Land number 2, Sierra Delta, thanks very much. Sean 8 right.
Decathlon 3 Sierra Delta, 10 left at Alpha 6, reverse high speed, and then contact ground point 7. Have a good day.
6.7, have a great day. Yes, or 173 Sierra Delta.
Tower Bonanza 1039er Tango is with you on the visual 8 right.
The 1039er Tango, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land. Your number 2 following Decathlon traffic on about a 1 mile final.
Land 8 right for 39er Tango. Declare 39 Tango for landing on 8 right.
39 Tango, runway 8 right, clear to land. Bonanza 39 Tango, contact ground point 7. Just make sure you give way to that Learjet off your right hand side on out.
Ground point 7, local.
Jet 503, Spirit Tower, turn right heading 150, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, heading 150, good Jet 503.
Jet 503, contact San Luis departure, safe flight.
Tower, medevac star check 242, hold short 8 right at Delta, ready to go.
Medevac star check 242, Spirit Tower, turn right heading 150, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff 8 right, turn right heading 150 on departure star check 242. Contact San Luis departure, have a safe flight. Departure, we'll see you, start check 242.